Hi everyone, Dolly's here. You might know me as Stamper Girl, here for Cat Scrappiness. And today I'm here to introduce Carrot Fun. Carrot Fun is one of our new craft dies for the spring Easter release. These adorable carrots are in 2 pieces each, and we have 4 different sizes. We're going from the smallest to the largest. The sizes I'm going to be giving you are approximate. They are in inches and they are height times width. So this first smallest carrot is 1.5 by 3/4 of an inch, and the topper, which is the leaves, are 1/2 of an inch tall, and they of course match the width by 3/4. Second size, it is 2.25 inch tall by 1/2 an inch of a width, and then the topper is 3/4 by 1. The third size is 2.75 by 1.25, and the topper of course is 1 by 1.25. And then the largest size, which I love it, I can't wait to do some fun and funny stuff with the quokkas and this big size carrot. It is 3 3/8 by 1 5/8, and the topper is 3/4 by 1 5/8, and of course they match perfectly the carrot. I love that it's a two-piece die cut, so it's easier for you to make layers. I love that they have the little markings on the carrot to give a little bit of an extra detail. Let's cut them out and show you some ideas of what you can do with them. I will be using these super bright orange cardstock. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it has some glitter on it. But any cardstock will work. I am going to cut them all out. So what I am going to be doing is I'm going to put them pretty close to each other, because this is one fancy cardstock and I don't want to do too much of waste of my cardstock. And I'm pretty sure I can put this guy over here. Okay, that is a good lineup. That way you see how just a little square that I would be used. I'm using some washi tape right now. I'm actually going to put it all the way through and through. That will help me hold it in place without having to cut like too many little pieces out of it. Then I am going to have a little piece here for my tiny little carrot, and another piece here, and we are ready to cut. Since this paper is super big, this would not fit through my die cut machine. What I'm going to do is I am going to cut a little bit of a rough cut. There you go. This, I know for a fact, that will fit wonderfully through my machine. And I am going to look for a green to cut for my leaves. Here I am bringing a very light green. It's almost like a key lime. And the reason I am picking this color is because I know it would really pop against the bright orange that I pick for my carrots. Okay, so I'm going to put this guy here. I'm going to cut some pieces out of my washi tape. Okay, a little piece here. And another piece right here. And I know this piece will fit through my die cut, so I'm not going to bother cutting it close. Okay, I'm going to put them through my machine and I'll be right back. Okay, they have been passed through my machine, and I brought 2 different oranges, reddish colors, and my green. I have my Cat Scrappiness brushes with me. And I am just going to pull these guys up. I'm going to put them aside. I'm going to keep them in the tape so I don't lose them. But if you're interested, Cat has some magnetic pieces in that come with sleeves that you could get so you could put your die cuts together. I think I am going to start with this one with a coral reef color and just swish, swish, swish. Start outside your die cut and then come in. This is just adding a little bit of interest. If you notice, I am not being precise, just adding markings. I start outside the die cut because I don't want to leave a big dark mark, and then come into the die cut. Okay. 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 Love that. Okay. I'm gonna come with my second color. Let's see, because this one is a little bit darker. Okay. Just adding, and I'm actually making sure that I add color where those marks that were left behind by the die cut, okay? Because that's where the indentations are on the die cut, these markings right here. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm gonna bring the little toppers. I have one that it ran away. I'm gonna plop it back in there. It's easier to add color that way. Okay, I'm gonna bring my nice amount of ink in my little Scrappiness brush, and I'm starting in the bottom, and I'm going in circles. There you go. Okay. Good. And then the big one. So this cardstock that I pick has this beautiful texture. Then I'm gonna go all the way on the top. I'm gonna add a little bit of color so you will have a highlight in the middle. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna add even more. I want it really, really, really super dark here down in the bottom. You, of course, can do whatever color combination you prefer. And now let's put these guys together. I'm just gonna pop them out of my cardstock. Pop these from my cardstock too. Let me show you the difference. Like, they're really, look at the difference between the topper that has no ink and the actual carrot. Like, that looks so cute. And now I'm gonna bring my glue. I'm using liquid glue here. And I started with my biggest one. And just tip it to one of your die cuts and then wiggle it in place until it matches perfectly. Check it out. Those are so cute. Adorable. Really, really adorable. Okay. Do it again. Okay. And just wiggle them in place. So as soon as you have one of them done, that's why we use liquid glue. So we have a little bit of wiggle and play time to set those up exactly this way that we want them. Again, just grab left and right or the top, find the sides, it's easier, and then I just put it together and then just wiggle them in place. And the last one, which is the tiniest one, and that might be a little too much glue. If that ever happens, you don't want it seeping, just touch it to your hand and remove a little bit of it. There you go, much better. And then let's put it here. And I'm gonna grab it and just wiggle it in place. Oh my sweetness, they are so cute. Let me show you the look. And here are our beautiful cat Scrappiness cute fun craft dies in our new spring Easter release.
Next is the Cat Scrappiness Creative Crew team members with some samples with this Easter release. Enjoy!